I am Mr. Krishnavani, Assistant Professor, Department of MCA in Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. Today's subject is Applied Software Engineering with Design and DevOps. Today's topic is Scrum, Basics, Roles, Sprint and Backlog. First, Scrum. Scrum is a management framework that team use self-organized tasks and work towards a common goal. Assume that if you want to develop a software by using waterfall method, it have a lot of drawbacks and it take more time to develop a project. Overcome this problem, we move on the agile model. We move on to agile model. Scrum is a type of agile framework. Scrum allows to developer to develop product of the highest value while making sure that we maintain creativity and productivity. The iterative and incremental approaches used in Scrum allows the team to adapt to the changing requirements. The Scrum framework outlines a set of values, principles, and practices that Scrum team follow to deliver a product or service. In details, the member of Scrum team and their accountability. Okay. Next. Uh, However, after more than a decade of helping agile team get work done anytime, anywhere. We have learned that clear communication, transparency, and a dedication to continuous improvement should be at the center of whatever framework we choose. Next, what are the members of a Scrum team or key roles of a Scrum? That means a Scrum team is a small. That is the team dedicated to delivering a committed product increments. Most Scrum teams need three roles. First one is product owner, Scrum master, and the development team. Product owner decide what team should work on that and ensure it meets business and customer needs. Next, Scrum master helps the team to follow Scrum rules and remove obstacles. And the development team, a group of people with a different skill who work together to build the product. Let's we discuss one by one. First one is Scrum Master. Scrum Master is the champion of Scrum with their team. They coach team, product owners and business on the Scrum process and look for a way to fine tune their practice. The key responsibility of Scrum Master is enhance the Scrum teams to be effective by coaching, then removing abstracts and facilitating Scrum process. This helps them improve overall team performance and delivery. An effective Scrum Master is deeply understand the teamwork and help to optimize its transparency and delivery flow. Next, product owner are the champion of their product. They focused on understanding business, customer and market requirement. Roles of the product owner, they build and manage the product backlog and then uses the sprint backlog and the product backlog. In the sprint backlog managed by management by development ordering and transparently, and the managing the product backlog for effective planning and prioritization. The partner with the business and the team to ensure everyone understand the work item in the product backlog. Give the clear guidance which feature to deliver the next. Decide when to deliver the product towards more frequently deliver. This is the role or work of the product owner. And then product owner is not always the product manager. Product owners focus on ensuring the development team only deliver the most valuable value to the business only. The product owner must be an individual. No development team wants mixed guidance from multiple product owners. Next is a Scrum team. That means development. They are the champion of sustainable development practices. The most effective Scrum teams are tight-knit, co-located, and usually consist of 5 to 7 members in every team. All team members helps to one another to ensure successful sprint completion. The Scrum team drives the plan for each sprint. Uh, Plans for each sprint, keeping the iteration length fixed to give the development team important feedback on their estimation and delivery process, making their forecast increasingly accurate. Based on these evaluation, the team carefully consider what can be delivered in the upcoming sprint. This is the Scrum team work. Next is sprint. The product owner split out the whole project or problem, split out the small user stories. It is called as a sprint. Sprint is a time box of 1 month or less. A new sprint start immediately after the completion of the previous sprint. When the product is completed, it goes to the release stage. If the product still has some non-achievable features, it will be checked in the state and then passed to the sprint repetitive stage, that means service stage. In this stage, quality or status of the products is checked. Then according to the prioritize feature, the product is organized. Sprint backlog divided into two parts: product assigned, feature to the print, and sprint planning meeting. The sprint planning will decide everything about the sprint. Next, sprint backlog. Two types of backlog. One is sprint, another one is product. Product backlog is primary list of work that the product owner or product manager need to do and maintain. This is a dynamic list of features, requirement, enhancement, and fix that act as the input for the sprint bug. It is essential the term to do list. Sprint is the list of items, that means user stories or bugs fixes selected by the development team for implementation in the current sprint cycle. Before each sprint during sprint planning, the team select items will work on from the block. Okay, the a sprint block may be flexible and can evolve during sprint. However, the fundamental sprint goal, what are the term wants to achieve from the current sprint, cannot be compromised. Okay, first the you user stories or first go to the do to column. Then if it is completed, go to the in progress column. Then it is completed, go to the done column. Done means the product will be ready to release or deploy in the customer environment. This overall is the Scrum working principle, and what are the key responsibilities of Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Sprint. Thank you.